you were trying to say?
After your phone call, we'll talk about it.
What phone call?
In less than 10 seconds, you'll receive a call from Mr. Dave and you'll tell me to excuse you.
Excuse me. My phone was going to ring.
Mama, I just know things.
You know things? And how do you know Mr. Dave? OJO, you have been going through my phone, checking my contact and reading my messages.
No, Mama, I will never do such a thing.
So how do you know him?
Mama, I can't explain. You won't understand.
If you don't tell me, I will slap you.
Mama, I won't let you slap me.
How are you going to do that?
I don't know how, but I'll make sure you don't.
You have started growing wings.
Mama, this is not about growing wings. You won't understand.
There is nothing to understand.
Mama, please, don't slap me.
OJO, you dodged my slap.
Mama, I won't let you slap me.
Blinding bridges falling down, falling down, falling down. Blinding bridges falling down, my fair lady.
Really, nigga?